4 tips for maximizing your HVAC system's efficiency in Arizona. Number 1, use a programmable or smart thermostat. A programmable thermostat prevents energy waste by adjusting the temperature when you're away. Set it to 78 degrees Fahrenheit when home and higher when out. Number 2, swap out dirty filters. A clogged filter restricts airflow, making your AC work harder. Change it every 1-3 months to improve efficiency and air quality. Number 3, keep vents clean and unblocked. Blocked or dirty vents force your system to work harder. Keep them clean and ensure furniture isn't restricting airflow. Number 4, schedule professional HVAC maintenance. Regular maintenance catches small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. A professional tune-up ensures peak performance. Want your AC running at peak performance? Contact AC Medics today.